Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. In this video we are going to do the unboxing of boAt Airdopes 381 and give our first impression and tell you whether it is worth buying this particular Airdope 381 or not, or you also just skip this. So without further ado, let's get started. So let us just go and unbox this boAt Airdopes 381, and one of the best headphones which is available on Flipkart for about 4999, and this is available on for the big billion day sale for a very less price, about something like 1000 rupees, and this is one of the best for that particular price range, guys. And I just want to show you all the boAt Airdopes, and I've been using other products also. And again guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any updates whenever we upload any new video. So again, the best part is it supports the Type-C connector which you get in the box, and some air tips and all. I won't be going into details, guys. So this is like sort of my first impression of this, and they are very tiny, especially for those people who are having tiny ear canals like me. I would recommend. And this does not fit in the reverse order, you have to fit the right to the right, and this is how it looks. And again, the charging light which you can see is to ISO, according to me, and this is in pairing mode. So let us just pair and check out how it feels. So this is not the most compact headphones which casing I have seen, and if your budget is just 1000, would recommend this. Again, it has this plastic body. To comfort level, I feel this is one of the best comfortable and fits properly in my ear canals. Also the deep bass and all, which I really like it, and you can really enjoy your music to the fullest extent. And these are very compact, guys. It is not going to show your ears or something, and compared to this particular price range what we are getting for the big billion day sale, would highly recommend it. And even the design is quite good, guys. Comes with a touch interface, etc., and you all can just check it for double tap and triple tap and whatnot. And I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do share this video with those people who are looking to buy the headphones. Again, I hope you enjoyed this particular video, guys, and see you in my next video.